And today
We're
we have
doing
another treats unboxing for you guys.
Should we be rationing this though?
Sounds like...
We're just kidding.
Sounds... Maybe something's busted to bits.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Germany.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
What do you say uh-oh for?
I thought it was from China.
I'm not worried.
No, I'm just kidding. So we got...
Oh, I like those. Oh.
Look at this. Top of the morning to you. Okay, show them that. God, you don't know how to do these cards.
How beautiful is this? Look at that. Germany.
Yeah. We actually have a friend that lives in Germany, right, Shelly?
Yeah, we met him on our first cruise.
Cruise ever. And his name is...
Ulf. Germany is known for its beer, pretzels, and love of chocolate.
And what was our... I don't know if it's German, but one of your new favorite slot machines is what?
Heidi.
Heidi. Is that German? I don't know.
Oh, come on down to Heidi's.
I gave her a big squeeze. That's what it says, doesn't it?
Your accordion.
Oh, the accordion.
Yeah, not Heidi.
Well,
gosh.
Never mind. Okay, so
this is a treat box.
So here's some German facts. Oh, sauteed German sausages.
Oh, we just went to our local German restaurant.
It was good as heck.
Oh, sure, right here.
What's coming on down the
deodorant?
Oh.
Sorry. And it was really good. I had sausages and 3 of them. They were good with the mustard.
Yeah, I'll get that next time I go.
I will get the pork schnitzel.
Read some German facts here.
I'm German a little bit. Temperature is cool, cloudy, wet winters and summers. It's a Parliament Republic. Soccer is the most popular sport in Germany. Over 100 Germans have been awarded the Nobel Prize in their field, including Albert Einstein, who was born in Germany. Prison escape is not punishable by law in Germany. What? The bullet points are all messed up, so I'm trying to
That's okay. Oh, come on down.
Germany is Europe's second largest beer consumers. Germans drank 2.55 billion gallons of beer in 2012.
Oh, and on our last cruise, there was a girl dressed up as Heidi. I could have got a picture with her. And I should have.
Let's just stop talking about freaking Heidi.
So our first thing is Palm sticks.
Hot and spicy.
Let me read that. Palm sticks, hot and spicy by Lorenz. Palm sticks are crunchy baked potato sticks made with real potatoes and baked in sunflower oil. Palm sticks are crunchy in texture and topped with delicious seasoning to leave an unforgettable taste in your mouth.
Hey, so gluten-free friends, because we have a couple now. This says gluten-free on the back. Just so
we have a bunch of gluten-free weirdo friends?
Yeah, we got a bunch of weirdo friends now.
I'm just teasing. I don't think you're weird. So yeah, gluten-free.
Let's try them.
And yeah, I'm ready. It's hot and spicy. Doesn't really smell hot and spicy, but could be.
Let's show them. They're like those potato sticks, and we love those. They're a little peppery. They're not hot and spicy.
No, I don't.
They're peppery.
Wait. It's hitting me a little bit now.
Ah! These are good.
Yeah.
MFing palm sticks. Carly, no! These are okay. Nothing to write home to mom about, though.
Roulette Happy Cola.
Oh, no. I don't want those right now. Those are hard.
No.
Oh, they're gummy. Ew.
Show them. Okay. Those do have spice to them after you eat them.
Nah, they're fine.
Roulette Happy Cola by Habanero.
That's Hasbro.
Habro.
Haribo.
Cola flavored gummy candies in the shape of buttons. These gummies are a twist on the traditional cola shaped Haribo cola gummies. Enjoy Haribo the whole new way.
They probably just taste like Coke.
I like that.
I hate it.
Well, leave your hands off them then.
They taste like Coke. Don't they? I like Coke.
I do.
Oh, what's this?
Those are really good. This is Cocoa Wafer. Cocoa Wafer by Milka is an airy chocolate wafer treat made of 3 layers of fine cocoa and cream and covered with delicate Milka Alpine milk chocolate. Milka Cocoa Wafer packs are individually wrapped wafers, ideal for travelers. Oh God, this is going to be Michelle's treat. Let me take a bite because I know you're going to eat the rest. Whoa, Shell! You better pick that up. Shell leaves her stuff all around everywhere. That is good.
That looks good.
The chocolate's really good.
Oh. Wow. I like that it's got a thick chocolate outer coating. Don't eat anymore. Stop. Okay, that's mine.
Well,
Josh took the biggest bites. There's some. I'm pissed off.
why?
How are you supposed to share this?
Well, show who's on there, Mr. Bigglesworth.
Mr. Bigglesworth. Who's Mr. Bigglesworth?
Actually, it's Mozart Kugel chocolate.
Mozart?
Mozart Kugel chocolates
Oh, yeah, it's got.
are a famous chocolate treat that's filled with pistachio mapanza and robbed in milk and dark chocolate. Mozart chocolates are ironically recognized by the image of Mozart on the packaging. Hey,
Look at the inside. The last one was way better.
Tootie!
It's alright. You're. No. It's not. It's not.
Oh!
It's bad.
What the hell is that stuff in the middle?
Pistachio stuff. It's like, it tastes a little bit like coffee.
Eat it.
No, I don't want to. Oh. We're just wrapping that one up. That's not our favorite.
You guys can keep those in Germany.
I would like to visit Germany one day.
Hey, they quit doing that golden ticket thing because of the virus, I bet. Okay, last thing we got. Hit Cookies by Balashine. Hit Cookies are sandwich cookies filled with luscious cocoa cream, giving you a satisfying crunch and an indulgent cocoa flavor. Take one bite and feel the explosion of chocolate heaven.
Explosion in your mouth of chocolate heaven? Is that what it just said? I can't open this. Stop! You're gonna ruin the cookies.
They're all smashed to bits.
Yeah, it's like that one. You know what this reminded me of? That World War I thing we were looking at yesterday.
So tell them about it.
Oh, we were watching this thing about this guy that takes those World War I rations, opens them, and eats them. And it was all to bits like this, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had to get it out, unwrap it. Okay, here it is. Are we splitting this?
Yeah. The cookie's good. It's almost like a cracker.
It is a cracker. It's like a Ritz cracker.
Let Tootie have some.
Not my favorite, but you like them.
Yeah, I do. Tootie loves them. Tootie likes German stuff.
I wonder if these are from World War I. Anyway.
I do like these.
What's your favorite thing in the box?
Man, I think it's gotta be. I'm gonna say these potatoes.
Mine was that chocolate
You're.
Malika wafer that we ate already.
It's gone.
So can't show you anything. That was my favorite thing. What was your least favorite thing? Oh, that Mozart thing.
Yeah, where'd that go?
I wrapped it up in this. Mozart. This is the wrapper. My second least favorite thing was this.
These are good.
Josh and I have been in this house too much together recently, so
Yeah.
we're gonna start. Anyway.
Okay, guys. So that's our treats. Oh, next time.
You could have a treat box too. For the low price of $13.99 a month.
Don't say next
Nope.
time. Uh-oh. Does that mean it won't be a next time?
World shutdown.
Stop.
Uh
You don't.
oh. What's the weirdest?
What's the weirdest?
Yeah, I would say that Mozart one. And it was also the worst.
These are weird though, because it's
This
like.
is a mystery box giveaway right here.
Listen, these are the weirdest because it's
Oh, it's a cookie.
no, it's a cracker.
Yeah.
It's not a cookie. It's weird. Was that it?
Yeah, so we should start doing this every time. All right.
Okay, guys.
If you get the treat box, let us know what you liked, what you didn't like.
That's right. And these
Bye.
are good. I don't care what you say.